Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the new Sunsational stamp set designed by Dani Studios for Trinity Stamps. This is a 4x3 single stamp with a very encouraging and uplifting message. We're going to see what it looks like when we stamp it with some black ink on some white paper. Such a cute image with the scripty words built into the image. I love her artwork. So now I thought it would be fun to take a quick look at coloring this image in a very simple way with some light Copic markers. Now, of course, you can use any coloring medium that you like to color out this image, but it's just really fun to color because the words are part of the image. So for this skinny scripty part, I recommend using something with a fine tip. That'll save you a lot of stress. And for the larger letters, I really enjoy creating an ombre effect whenever I color out her images. So I have my light orange here, YR02 at the bottom, and then I'm going to bring back those pinks that I used on the hearts, the R21, and I'll leave a little bit more white at the top and bring in my lightest pink, which is R20. So you can have a lot of fun coloring in these images, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you other ways the other designers on the Trinity Stamps team have colored out this image, so you can see lots of different ways how to do it and get some inspiration. For the sun, I only used two Copic colors. I used the Y00 on the main part of the sun and Y02 on the outer part. No ink blending there. I'm outlining the clouds with N1, and then I'll soften out those edges with N0, and I'll also use this lightest gray marker to give a little bit of shadow around my letters. To finish this image off, I did take my white gel pen and add some highlights to it. I thought it looked really fun, and the white just looks great with these soft pastel colors. I'm loving how this turned out. Now this stamp set does not come with a coordinating die. It fits perfectly on a 4-bar sized card, or it's easy to cut out and not a hard image to cut out at all. Of course, you could always use an electronic cutter as well if you have that. Here is the completed card I made with the image I colored out. It is a full panel shaker on a 5x5 card. I know I will be using this stamp lots of times to make more cards. Now let's take a look at some other cards designed by our design team. This one is embossed with gold embossing powder and then colored in. This one has a very soft watercolor look. This one has been done with no line coloring. I love that. And now this one has some rich colors, and I love how those clouds get lighter. This one has also been Copic colored very simply. So lots of ideas for you there with this brand new Sunsational stamp set. I thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more inspiration, be sure to find us on Facebook and Instagram too. Bye!